In this microsode, I will demonstrate a selection technique called touch selection. This is a method that I learned from Ryan Lurch, the author of the Inkscape tutorials weblog. Let's take a look. Okay, let's say for example you have lots of objects on your canvas and you wish to only select a certain number of them to change their properties. Okay, now typically you might just hold the Shift key down and select the objects that you want so you can change their properties. Now I can bring up the fill and stroke dialog box by hitting Control Shift F, and I can change the properties, and you see it works just like that. Well, there is a better way and a more efficient way, so let me do a Control Z to undo everything, and it's called touch selection. So let's see how it works. Basically, by holding the Alt key down and your left mouse button, you can draw a shape over the objects that you wish to select. Anything that touches the path gets selected. Okay, now I must note under Ubuntu and using GNOME, you have to hold the Super plus Alt key down in order to make this effect work. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Super Alt, and I'm going to draw just off to the side, and you can see that I'm drawing a path here. Now, as soon as I let go of my mouse button, this path will disappear. Okay, so if I want to just select this square and maybe this circle, as soon as I let go, you see that the objects are selected. Okay, so how does it work in a big cluster like this? Well, let's take a look. We'll do Super Alt key just for Windows users, and let's say for example I want to select these objects and change them. Now I want to be careful that I only draw my path through the object that I wish to change. Okay, now I can come way up here, maybe grab this square up to the corner, grab this square, and let's say I want to go all the way around and grab the square down here. I'll let go of everything. Now I can change the properties. Control Shift F. Let's say I want to change just the color, and you can see how that works. It's a very handy feature, touch selection. Thank you for watching. I'm HeathenX.